How can earthquakes happen and how to be prepared? An earthquake is a natural event that occurs when the Earth's surface shakes or moves suddenly. It can happen when tectonic plates in the Earth's crust shift or when magma rises up to the surface. When an earthquake happens, it can have a big effect on buildings and other constructions. The shaking can cause the ground to move, which can make buildings sway back and forth or even collapse. Engineers use a variety of designs and materials to make buildings stronger and more resistant to earthquake shaking. One design technique is to use flexible materials that can bend and sway with the movement of the earthquake. For example, buildings can be constructed with steel frames, which are more flexible than traditional brick or concrete walls. This allows the building to move with the earthquake rather than resisting the movement and potentially causing damage. Another design technique is to use shock absorbers, which are devices that absorb some of the energy from the earthquake and help to reduce the impact on the building. These can be installed between the foundation and the building or between different floors of the building. Engineers may also use reinforced concrete, which is concrete that has been strengthened with steel bars or mesh. This makes the concrete stronger and more resistant to cracking or breaking during an earthquake. Additionally, buildings can be designed with special features like diagonal bracing, which involves adding diagonal beams to a structure to help distribute the force of the earthquake more evenly throughout the building. All of these techniques are used to make buildings more resilient and better able to withstand the shaking of an earthquake. It's important for engineers to carefully consider the local geology and earthquake history when designing buildings to ensure they are as safe as possible. It's important to be prepared for earthquakes by knowing what to do during one and having an emergency kit ready in case of damage or power outages.